In my videos, I have talked about many screencasting software, including OBS, Camtasia Studio, Screencastify and Flashback Express. Still, people keep asking for different ways to record screen, and whenever you demand, I feel really encouraged. So this time I am going to create a video on how to use PowerPoint to record your computer screen. Yes, recent update of PowerPoint allow you to record computer screen with your audio explanation. This way you can use PowerPoint itself as a screen recorder, and then you do not need to worry about installing other screen recording softwares. So what are we waiting for? Let's start. Screen recording using PowerPoint is very easy. For that, when you open PowerPoint, you need to go to Insert. In Insert, you will see this option, Screen Recording. So I have Office 2016. I have subscription to Office 365. This is why I am able to see this option. So I'll click on Screen Recording. And when I click on Screen Recording, you will see that PowerPoint will minimize and this toolbar will appear. And you can see the complete screen is faded and I have this selector because I have to select area. So this is why it has this selector, and now I have to select area. So I can select a small area like this, or I can select complete area, complete desktop area like this. Now complete screen is selected. You can see that now screen is not looking faded at all. Now complete area is selected, and if I want to record my audio, then I have to select it. So right now you can see this is selected. If I don't want to record my audio along with the explanation, along with the screen recording, then I can deselect it. Now audio is deselected. If I want to record pointer, then I will keep it selected. Otherwise, I can unselect it, and now when I will record, pointer will not get recorded in final video. So I want to record audio as well as pointer. When I am ready, I will click on record button. So when I click on record button, you will see this screen appearing. So when you want to stop, press Windows, Shift and Q button. Now I am ready to record, and in fact everything, whatever I am doing here is recording. As you can see, I am on a website. So you can open a web page, you can explain it, you can talk about that page, you can go to other pages. Every activity that you will do will get recorded along with your audio and mouse pointer movement. So you can see that I can record web page. I can also talk about a software. For example, if I want to teach about Camtasia 9, you know my screen is getting recorded, and whatever I will do here, any activity that I will do here will get recorded. So this software, whatever I am doing here is also getting recorded. And if you want to record PowerPoint itself, then what you need to do, simply go to PowerPoint. Then first create your complete slide. You make your slide. Now you can see, because we are screen recording, this is why this option is now disabled. You write your content obviously in advance. Only after that you will press screen recording. But let us say if you want to do it, how will you do? You will open this PowerPoint in presentation mode or slideshow mode. Now you can see that my cursor is moving and the screen is getting recorded, and I can actually use this pen, I can use this laser pointer like this, and all the movement with my audio explanation is getting recorded. When I am done, what I will do, I will go back. So when you finish recording, then what you need to do, simply press Window key, Shift and Q button on your keyboard, and PowerPoint will stop recording. When PowerPoint will stop recording, you can see the video is now created and it will be pasted automatically. It will be inserted automatically on the page from where you gave that command. So we have recorded one video, we can watch it now. Let's play the video.
Stop, press Windows, Shift and Q button. Window and mouse come out the software. Close line. And if you record it. So this software, whatever I am doing here, is also getting recorded. And if you want to record PowerPoint,
see, everything is getting recorded. Video is now completely recorded. You can see even this is visible.
When I am done,
okay. So this is how you can record your computer screen with PowerPoint itself. But from where we will get this video? Where is this video available? We can see this video here in PowerPoint. But if I have to share this video with my students, then I have to do something else. So for that, what I do, I have everything installed. Everything is a very good application. You can install it from Ninite. It allows you to search from your laptop. So I will now search for star.mp4 because I know Microsoft creates MP4 file. Whenever it records a screen, it creates MP4 file, and you can see this is the MP4 file that is created just now. See, what is the time now? 8:30. So it is created when I stopped recording. So I already have a MP4 file ready, which is of 92 MB. You can see here. I can actually open it to show you if this is the same video or not.
stop, press Windows, Shift and Enter. Here, any activity that I will do here will get recorded. So this software, whatever I am doing here is all.
See, this is how from here you can copy it and paste it to document or somewhere, because this is not the place from where you can generally copy your content or you generally share your content. So you just copy this content from here and then paste it in your folders wherever you want. So I'll paste it here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to upload this video on YouTube and give the link to this video in the description of this video. So you can click on it and watch the quality. Quality is really good. So this is one way to get the video. And what is the proper way? See, Microsoft also allow you to export that video. So what you need to do, simply click on this video. So make sure video is selected. Then right click on the video and click on Save Media As. This way also you can save it. So I will give it a name, ScreenRecording 1, and saving it. Because I have searched everything installed, so I can see it star.mp4. I can see it on top itself. You can see the size 92, 553 KB, both are same. So the same quality you are getting this way also, the way you saved it. See, I'll now play this video.
Stop, press Windows out camera. Only after that you will press that marker is a pointer like this.
See, so this is how you can export that video, and finally now you are ready to share this video with your students. Similarly, we can do in the second slide also. So like, let's go to Insert, click on Screen Recording, Record. See, Windows Shift Q. This is what you have to press. So this is a very good software, as I told you. I can search anything from this. Let us say only this activity I wanted to record. Now I'll press Shift Windows Q to stop recording, and now you can see the video is inserted here. I can make it full screen, or I can simply change the layout to blank. Then I will make it full screen like this. And this is how you record multiple videos in each slide. Even now also on this slide itself, you can record one more screen. So like insert screen. So they are useful when you want to present video with the help of PowerPoint itself. So right now if I'll open it in presentation mode, you will see what will happen. This is a video and I can play this video during my presentation.
Stop, press Windows, Shift
and I can go to second slide.
Press Windows, Shift.
And then I can play this video also.
What you have to press. So this is a very good one.
So this means, as you can see, this area is blank. This means you can use this area for something else. This is like a video itself. So whatever things you could have done with videos, you can do with this screen recording. For example, this video is there. I can place it anywhere. I can resize it to place in a correct place in my web PowerPoint slide. Then I'll go to format, and you can see there are many things, like I can put a shadow behind it. Then I can also change the corners like this. See, I can put a frame. Okay, and there are more video effect, like this glow effect is there. See, then bevel effect is there, like this. So you can do whatever you want with the format option. And when you want to, so this is the third way to export MP4. Remember, first I took from the files where PowerPoint actually store the video. Then I told you how to do this right click and save media as, and this is the third way you can export MP4. Basically, this is not the correct way, but this is what you can do. You can go to, so we have two videos. So go to file, go to save as, go to document, means wherever you want to save it, and select MP4 video. So what will happen, this presentation itself will export as MP4 file. I am giving it a name, screen recording 2, and saving it. So it will take some time. You can see it is saving. Because now it has to export the video, so it will definitely take some time. We have to wait. When video export is complete, you can see that progress bar is now not visible. This means video has exported, and let's now go to, we can now open that file. Let me now simply search MP4, and you can see we saved that file with the screen recording 2.mp4. Let's play this file to see how's that video coming.
Stop, press Windows Shift.
See, in the beginning it will be obviously the same way, but when we go to second slide, you can see second slide video will be different. See, from here it should start.
You finish Shift. I can search very good soft Shift, and this is what you have to press. So this is a very good software, as I told you. I can search and
see, as you can see, the video is coming in complete slide. This is complete slide, and video is coming like this. As we have added a border to the video, so it is coming like this. So these are the three ways by which you can export recorded screen from PowerPoint. Now I believe you know how to record your computer screen with the help of PowerPoint itself. And you also know where to search the recorded file. If you want to convert it into a different format, then you can watch this video of mine where you will learn how to convert a file from WMV format to other video format, and then you can share the video with your students. Please share this video with all the teachers who have subscription to Office 365 but don't know how to use PowerPoint to record your computer screen, and they are still searching for a good software that can record their computer screen. I will see you in my next video now. Namaste.